In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on the Whop app or website. Whether you're more comfortable using Whop in another language, or you've accidentally switched to one you don't understand, updating your language settings only takes a few seconds. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on either the mobile app or the desktop website, because the layout is very similar. First, open Whop and go to your home dashboard. On the website, this is usually the main page you see after logging in, often found at the home or dashboard link in your browser. On the app, it will typically be the default screen you land on when you open it, where you can see your products, memberships, or main feed. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before continuing. Once you're on the home dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area, which may appear as your profile picture, your initials in a small circle, or an icon that represents your account. Click or tap on that profile section to open a drop-down menu. This menu is where you'll find various account-related options, like settings, profile, and in this case, language. When the drop-down menu appears, look for the option labeled language. This is usually listed alongside other account settings and is clearly marked, even if the current language is something you don't fully understand, because it tends to stand out as a recognizable word or icon. Go ahead and click or tap on Language to open the Language Settings panel. You'll now see a list of available languages that Whop supports. Each language will be listed by its own name, such as English, Espanol, Francais, and so on. Take a moment to scroll through this list and find the language you want to use. If you're switching back to a language you know well, scan for the familiar spelling rather than relying on the current interface language. Once you've found your preferred language, simply click or tap on it. The app or website should update automatically, and you'll notice the text throughout the interface changing to your selected language. If it doesn't switch immediately, give it a second, or try briefly refreshing the page. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully changed the language on the Whop app or website.